everyone! Welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a collective reading about love and situationship. Let's see what are the messages for you. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Don't forget to tap the bell to notify you for new videos from this channel. Please watch until the end of the video. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Thank you po sa support. Let us see what are the messages or yung energies with the person in your mind, please. Some energies. Toxic love, drama, addictions, love-hate relationship, okay? Full of drama ang relationship nyo. Maraming ups and downs. Bate, away, bate. Message, communication, conversation, expressing feelings. Merong may gustong i-express yung kanyang nararamdaman sa inyo. Okay? I-express, pwedeng express yung love or concerns or issues about you. Okay? Cold shoulder. Break up, distance, separation. Okay? Pwedeng magkalayo kayo ng person na to. You're not in the same location or the same country. Okay? Drama, scandal, truth coming out. Okay? May issues. Scandal, truth coming out. Okay? Secrets are coming out. Okay? Let's see paano yung mga messages. Toxic love, okay. Addictions, drama, okay. Madrama ang inyong sitwasyon. Maraming mga concerns na kailangan pag-usapan. Okay, i-open up. Gusto ng taong to ng commitment sa inyo, okay? This person is very generous. He or she has a strong feeling for you. Okay, mahal ka ng taong ito. Gusto ka niyang alagaan, okay? Importante ka sa kanya. Okay. This person is thinking a lot. Is thinking about you. Okay. May mga iniisip na siya na plano. May mga visions na siya about you sa relationship nyo. Hindi niya pa nasasabi. Okay. For some, very logical yung tao na to, matalino. But when it comes to emotions, medyo sensitive siya, okay? Hindi niya na-express yung kanyang nararamdaman. He or she is always thinking about things. Gusto niyang maging straightforward din sa inyo kung ano yung mga intentions niya. Okay, tinatago niya ang kanyang nararamdaman. He or she is very intuitive. Nararamdaman ka niya. Okay. You feel na yung taong to ay walang oras sa inyo. busy, maraming ginagawa sa trabaho. Okay, marami siyang responsibilities and obligations. Okay. Maybe breadwinner to siya ng family. Okay, madaming umaasa sa kanya. You feel na hindi ka na nabibigyan ng panahon or ng oras. This person wants to give you something valuable, okay? Yeah. Work. Okay? Gusto ng taong ito umasenso. Okay? Ito yung challenge, yung trabaho, yung problema sa inyo. Okay? This may be the third party, kaya madaming drama na nangyayari. Hindi nagkakaintindihan kasi mas marami siyang oras sa trabaho niya kaysa inyong relationship. Okay? Mahal ka niya, pero wala siyang oras sa'yo. Okay? He or she wants commitment, pero hindi niya naman nasasabi na express yung feelings niya. Marami siyang pinaplano, okay? Finances, work, family. And for you, parang pagod ka na sa ganyang sitwasyon, sa kakaantay sa kanya. You are very much aware na marami rin siyang iniintindi. Okay? Inaatupag, may mga obligasyon din siya. Pero for you, you want his time. Okay? Gusto mo lagi kang kinakamusta, kinakausap, lagi mo siyang kasama. You want to see him or her all the time. Okay? Parang yung weight ng relationship is ikaw na yung sumasalo. Nabibigatan ka na sa sitwasyon, nahihirapan. Pero mahal yung isa't isa. Kailangan yung magkaintindihan ng inyong mga priorities. Communicate, be transparent, at bigyan din ng oras ang partner. Okay? Magkakaintindihan kayo kung na-express ng isang kanyang nararamdaman. Okay? Merong open communication. Maging transparent lang. Someone is overthinking. Nag-iisip na ng negative. Okay? Drama. Someone wants the attention, the time na sa kanya lang dapat. While the other one is busy about work, how to improve his or her money, how to provide well for the family. Okay, may mga obligasyon din siya financially. He wants to give you something better, valuable, a good future. Okay? Kailangan na ng pagkakaintindihan, maging understanding, okay, sa partner or sa taong nasa isip ninyo. Parang nagiging toxic na ang situation. Mahal mo yung tao pero naiinis ka sa pinapakita sa inyo or sa ginagawa sa inyo. Kasi feeling parang hindi ka binibigyan ng oras. Okay? Ayaw ng taong to yung drama. Okay? This person is in or mataas ang posisyon or katayuan sa buhay. Okay? Or meron siya mga important roles in a company or sa work niya. Okay? For some of you, this is the other way around. Ikaw yung or siya yung kailangan ng oras mo, ng atensyon, but you are too busy with your work. Okay? Siya yung madrama, hindi naiintindihan yung sitwasyon mo. Because again, there is no open communication, there is no transparency. Okay? That's why there is no understanding. Okay? But you know there is so much love between you two. Between you. Okay? Mahal yung isa't isa. Both of you wants commitment. Okay? Okay. See? Kung ano man yung ginagawa ng isa, this is for your future, for the both of you. Kasi gusto kanya bigyan ng magandang buhay. Importante ka sa taong ito. It's just that madrama lang ang sitwasyon because the other one is waiting ng attention. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin sa inyo. Kung alam mo lang kung gaano kakamahal ng taong ito. Okay? Kaso lang hindi siya ganun ka-expressive sa kanyang nararamdaman. Kaya merong misunderstanding. Anong gustong sabihin sa'yo ng taong to? I am afraid to lose you. See? I cannot express myself. Hindi niya nga talaga ma-express yung kanyang emosyon. Okay? Takot siyang mawala ka. Mahal ka ng taong ito. I cannot let go of you. I am obsessed with you. Okay? You were right. You were right na hindi ka nabibigyan ng oras or quality time, okay? Text or call. You want constant text or constant communication. I feel lonely. If you are, kung wala ka, he or she feels lonely. Okay? So, kailangan lang talaga pag-usapan kung ano yung problema, anong sitwasyon ng isa, be transparent, be communicative. Okay? Open communication yung kailangan kasi nandyan yung pagmamahal sa inyong dalawa. Okay. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the reading. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye!